Can Bryan Kohberger get any creepier? These photos recently released by News Nation are pretty scary and have people wondering, why would Bryan document such strange selfies? We had previously heard about Bryan taking all these shirtless selfies from the digital team that was tasked with examining his phone. Now we get to see the weirdness for ourselves. Besides the photo of Bryan tucking his upper lip upwards to reveal his teeth beneath a strange expression in his eyes is the photo of Bryan saluting. Allegedly, these first photos were taken after his horrific crime. These disturbing first photos were reportedly taken in December 2022. The photo of Bryan giving a salute displays an injury on the knuckle of his ring finger. Astute viewers believe this is the same hand and finger that may have sported a band-aid in his infamous thumbs-up photo that Bryan snapped on the morning of Sunday, November 13th, 2022, after he returned home from his dastardly deed, smiling in a self-satisfied manner, giving himself a thumbs up. Now that more of Bryan's selfies are making it out to the public arena, we truly get a glimpse of the sinister nature of the man, combined with the somewhat ordinary display of a guy who would take photos of himself doing ordinary things, like hiking. Combine those with the evil-looking guy in a hoodie staring ominously down the eye of the camera, and it makes for a curious case study indeed. Why do you think he took so many weird selfies? Was it boredom or something else? Romans 12:21. Do not be overcome by evil, but overcome evil with good.